purchasing the mobiles from you. So once these people, that's what the concept we call it as here. If you see my screen, you see objects, contacts, leads, and opportunities. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, objects. Okay,
Yes.
nothing but companies you are doing business with. You can also do business with the individual people like solo contractors or using person accounts. Company's account is nothing but your Monica is one account, Shilpa is one account, Pavani is account, because these three people are managing different businesses, right? One is in charge for Middle East, one is in charge for Asia Pacific, one is in charge for here European, and they can
Yes.
also have local contractors who purchase your mobiles, and the normal customer also will purchase individual people. Got it? That's called as a contact. Sorry, that's called as an account. And what do you mean by contacts? People who work at the company you're doing business with that. So you need contacts of all these people. Yes or no? For example, you need to know Monica's complete contact details, her name, her mobile number, her email ID, her company name, her company address. Okay, what is the business she does it? Okay, what was the order she has placed? Complete contact details will be there in the contacts. Now leads, potential prospects who are not yet ready to buy or you haven't determined what product they need. So potential customers, potential prospects. Okay, so Monica and Pavani are ready to buy your product. Okay, those are called as leads. Okay, who are
Yeah.
not yet to buy or you haven't determined what product they need. Means they are a leads in the sense like how should I tell you? I mean, they are the prospects where they can purchase your product. I mean, you are almost all there, okay, to sell your product. Okay, so out of let's say 50 leads you have, not all 50 leads will come and purchase your product, right? You
Yeah.
might have okay, who show the desire to purchase your products are called as leads. You're getting my point. Who has a
Yes.
desire? Okay, I like the iPhone. Okay, 50% I'll go and uh, purchase a mobile. Okay, because you liked so much, so you have a desire to buy the product. So those are called as leads. Once they place the order and once you uh, 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 send your what do you call the products to them, I mean once you sold the particular products, those are called as opportunities. Okay, qualified leads that you have converted, and when you convert a lead, you create an account and contact along with the opportunity. Got my point? That
Mm.
leads got converted into an opportunity. Opportunity means you had an opportunity to serve that particular customer. Okay, so Monica placed 2 lakhs mobiles and Shilpa placed 2 lakhs mobiles. Okay, you manufactured those two mobiles, and what happened in this given stipulated time, you have order or you have sent the complete mobile handsets to these two people. So they have converted into leads. So they have sent you the check or money, or they did some money transfer for you, and you got the order. Your order is confirmed. That concept is called as opportunities. Got my point, guys? They are very important. Accounts, contacts, leads, and opportunities.
Okay.
Now all these opportunities, guys. Okay, Shilpa is brought the mobiles, and Monica brought the mobiles. Pavani brought the mobiles, and what they did, now they are doing the sales. Okay, so how are they doing the sales? Okay, so these sales can be done directly setting up a small shops, setting up a small stores, or they can also do sales on Flipkart or Amazon or any e-commerce sites. Okay, all the complete sales related activities will happen in the Sales Cloud. You're getting my point? Customers
Yeah.
started using your mobiles, okay, and they started using. There was shortage of your mobiles, okay, in the market, but still people are will they want to wait and they want to see. If you see on Amazon, MI phones are there, right? Okay, MI phones you will not get anywhere in any shopping in any store in Hyderabad. Okay, compulsory you have to place an order in Amazon or in Flipkart.
Mm.
Then only the MI phones. Okay, the sales happens only on the e-commerce sites, not on the normal this thing. Whereas your Samsung and Nokia and other stuff, iPhone, you have lot multiple stores. You can also place your order on the e-commerce sites. You can walk into a shop and you can purchase the mobile. Okay, so the sales related activities will happen in the sales cloud. Okay, now myself I have purchased a mobile from Shilpa. Okay, I started using that mobile. Okay, after 3 months, 4 months, okay, my mobile started giving problem. Okay, I have a display problem. Okay, I have some mobile is getting stuck. Okay, some issues are there in my mobile. So what do I do?
Service center. You approach a
I will
service
call the
center.
customer care, and I'll shout on them, stating that, boss, what is this? A new product, 3 months only you have launched, and I brought my mobile. Normal customer, what he will do? 3 months only I brought this here mobile, and within 3 months, how come this mobile is giving some problems? So what will do, that customer guy will say, sir, please raise a customer request, service request. We will definitely look into that. So you go to an authorized customer center, and what that person will do, okay, he is going to provide you the service. So what he will do, he will take your service request, okay, and he will take your mobile, and he will ensure that the service request gets closed in a given stipulated time. So he will give you the solution for that also. So like that, you will see a lot of people placing the service request on the mobiles. So who takes care of that? That complete automation has to be done, right? What is the service request number? What is the service name? Who is the customer who has raised this particular service? Whether the service is closed or opened? Okay, the complete service related activities will happen in the service cloud. Getting my point?
Yes.
Then that's the complete CRM process. Okay, so first you do marketing, then you do sales, then you do service. Okay, and your product is very hit in the market, and all three of you getting very good revenues. Okay, you have become a very big popular in the world, and lots of revenues are coming, and but still you want to do some analysis on your product. Okay, so for example, your product is not so hit in US market, because already in US market iPhone is completely having the complete has occupied the complete market. Okay, but still you are not able to sell your mobile sets in America. Yes, or you are not able to sell your mobile sets in Africa continent, but it is more famous in South Asia and Asia Pacific and European. So, how many mobile sets you are selling in a month? What revenue that you are getting? Okay, how many? What was the sales that has been done in every quarter? How many mobile sets have been sold in a particular quarter? What was the revenue that you got it in a quarter? What was the revenue distribution, or the revenue you got in Q1 and Q2. You want to do a lot of reporting, analytics, analysis on your product, because based on the analysis you'll take the corrective measures, right? For example, why your mobile is not is not getting sold in US market. So you need to understand, right? You need to have some data in front of you. What was the reason? Okay, so that all the reporting, analytics, analysis of your product, dashboards, everything that you do it in the analytics cloud. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So CRM, Salesforce has come out with these four clouds. Okay. Initially, they came out with the four clouds, stating that which is related to each other. Okay, marketing people can track all their marketing activities in marketing cloud. Sales representatives can also track all their sales related activities in sales cloud. Service related people can also track the service related activities in service cloud and analytics. So this is how this initially Salesforce has come into the picture, into the market. Okay, let me log into the site. Can you able to see my screen? Can you see my screen? So this is the Salesforce, and these are the